In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your HP Smart Tank printer is smearing ink on your paper. So if you have stains or the ink just smeared around, I'll show you how to fix it. So depending how you have connected your printer, if you use the HP Smart app on your phone, you need to go on the HP Smart app. If you're doing this with a computer, it's about the same thing. So over here on the app, you need to click on your printer on the top. Go down, select alignment and maintenance. And from here, we need to go down and select clean smear. You see over here, remove buildup in the printer that can cause smearing on the printed pages. Well, all you have to do now is to press the clean button. Make sure your printer is turned on, and automatically it may take about 2-3 minutes. The printer will clean itself, and hopefully after doing this, you won't have any issue with smearing. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.